In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to backtest in Tradestation. We'll keep it simple and practical. You'll open a chart, apply a strategy, and then adjust a few key settings so your results are realistic and useful. Start by launching Tradestation Desktop and heading to Chart Analysis. In the symbol box, type what you want to test. This could be a stock, a future, or an index, and press Enter. Tradestation immediately loads historical data for that symbol. It's important to know that your backtest will only use the data that's visible and loaded on this chart. That means the time frame and the amount of history showing right now determine the test window. If you want a broader evaluation, make sure you've got enough bars on screen to cover the period you care about. Think of the chart as the sandbox. Whatever's inside it is what the strategy will be tested against. With your chart ready, it's time to apply your strategy. On the chart, click Insert, then Strategy. You can also right-click on the chart and choose Insert Strategy if that's faster for you. From the list that appears, select the strategy you created in EasyLanguage or choose one of the built-in options. When you click OK, Tradestation immediately runs the backtest by applying your entry and exit rules to every historical bar currently on the chart. You'll see visual markers appear that show where trades would have been taken and closed. Nothing is executed live here. This is a historical simulation, so you can safely iterate as much as you like. Before you start interpreting those trades, take a moment to set the assumptions that shape your results. Open the Strategy Properties panel when you add the strategy or access it afterward, and review the parameters. Define your position size or quantity so the test reflects how you'd actually allocate capital. Add commissions and a reasonable estimate for slippage to account for real-world trading friction. Set trading hours so the strategy only operates during the sessions you intend, whether that's regular hours or extended sessions. You can also include other costs as needed. These details make a meaningful difference. Getting them right brings your backtest closer to what you might experience in live trading. That's the core workflow. Open a chart with the symbol and history you want, apply your strategy, and tailor the parameters to match your plan. The more accurate your data window and assumptions, the more credible your backtest will be. Use this process to validate ideas, compare approaches, and refine your rules with confidence.